Conversation. Meeting a new friend.
Hi, I'm Sara.
Nice to meet you, Sara. I'm John.
Where are you from?
I'm from Canada. And you?
I'm from Kenya.
Oh, that's cool. I've always wanted to visit Kenya.
Really? Why?
I've seen many pictures of the wildlife and the beautiful landscapes. It looks amazing.
Yes, Kenya has many beautiful places. You would enjoy it.
When people meet for the first time, they often talk about simple things, like the weather.
The weather is really nice today, isn't it?
Yes, it's warm and sunny, perfect for a walk in the park.
I almost stayed home, but I'm glad I came out.
Me too. I like walking here in the afternoons.
Talking about daily life.
So what do you do, Sara?
I'm a student. I study English.
That's great. How long have you been studying?
For about 1 year.
Your English is very good.
Thank you. I try to practice every day.
Finding common interests.
What do you like to do in your free time?
I like reading and listening to music. What about you?
I love photography. I take pictures when I travel.
That's interesting. Do you have your camera today?
Yes, I do. I always carry it.
Wow, that's nice. Maybe you can show me some of your photos.
Sure, I'd love to.
When people become comfortable, they sometimes continue the conversation somewhere else.
Would you like to get a coffee after your walk?
That sounds nice. I know a small cafe near here.
Perfect. Let's go there.
Okay, but first, let's finish our walk.
Good idea.